The pain of labor makes her scream out loud, but the doctor coldly reminds the queen to keep quiet. Hearing that, she only cries out even harder. Her voice echoes across the entire palace, holding the crying newborn in her arms. Caroline has no idea what to do, just when she needs help the most. Her husband suddenly walks into her room. A small wave of warmth washes over her, but Christian is only here to say goodbye.
Jeg planlægger en rejse rundt i Europa. Jeg har tænkt mig at være væk mindst et år. Måske 2.
Tror du, det har nogen betydning for mig, om du er her eller ej?
Those words crush whatever hope she had left. After the door closes, something finally clicks.
Det her var mit liv. Min skæbne. Jeg havde accepteret den for, hvad den var. Eller rettere, det kunne meget vel have været mit liv.
And Caroline starts living better than before. No longer moping around every single day, she looks completely different now, full of life. Right when she thinks she has it all figured out, her husband returns from Europe with another man. This stranger will turn her whole life upside down.